Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to read 6th lesson of your OME book 2. Lesson 6, Careful Hans. It is a story about a foolish boy named Hans. First of all, we shall read words to know. Cottage, a small house in the country. Dragged, it means ghasita. Carried something by pulling it along the ground slowly. Germany, a country in Europe. जर्मनी यूरोप के एक मुल्क का नाम है. Hay, it means खुश्क घास, grass or other plants that are cut, dried and then fed to animals. Nibbled, कुतरा, to eat something in very small bites. Spend, गुजारना, to pass time. Stuffed, ठूंसा. Packed, made something full by packing. Wrapped, लपेटा, to put paper or cloth around something. Once there was a little boy called Hans. He lived with his mother near a great forest in Germany. Where did Hans live? Hans lived in Germany. To whom did he live with? He lived with his mother. His grandmother lived not far away in a small cottage. Where did his grandmother live? She lived in a small cottage. One day, his mother said, Hans, I am going to the market. Where was his mother going? She was going to the market. You can spend the day with your grandmother. Hans went along the dusty path through the forest. He played in his grandmother's garden all day. Where did he play all day? He played in his grandmother's garden all day. Students, look at the picture. Hans is putting needle in the hay cart. In the afternoon, his grandmother said, Hans, take this needle means sui, to your mother. Look after it carefully. What did his grandmother give him for the first time? She gave him a needle. On the way home, a hay cart passed Hans. What passed Hans? A hay cart passed Hans. Hans put the needle in the hay and walked behind the cart. When he reached home, he could not find the needle. Reached means पहुंचा. You are a foolish boy. Foolish means बेवकूफ. Hans, said his mother, put a needle in your sleeve like this, not in the hay. The next week, Hans went to his mother's house again. He played the whole day and later his grandmother said, Hans, please take this spoon to your mother. Now I am going to ask questions about this paragraph. Did he find the needle? No, he did not find the needle. Where should have he put the needle? He should have put the needle in his sleeve. What did his grandmother give him the next week? The next week she gave him a spoon. Hans started off for home. He remembered means याद रखा, his mother's words. He put the spoon carefully inside his sleeve. When he reached home, the spoon was not there. It had fallen. Fallen fell की थर्ड फॉर्म है और इसका मतलब होता है गिर गई. Out on his way home. What happened to the spoon? It had fallen on his way home. Oh foolish boy, said his mother, you should have put it in your pocket. Where should have he put the spoon? He should have put the spoon in his pocket. The next week, Hans played with the little puppy at his grandmother's house. In the afternoon, he said, Granny, can I take this puppy home? Yes, but look after it carefully. Carefully means एहतियात से, said his grandmother. Hans stuffed the puppy into his pocket. When he took the puppy out at home, it did not move. What did his granny give him on third week? On third week, she gave him a puppy. Oh no, what have you done? Cried his mother. I put it in my pocket like you told me to, said Hans. After a few seconds, the puppy opened its eyes. You are foolish, Hans, said his mother. You should have pulled it along with a string. How should have he take the puppy home? He should have pulled it along with a string. The next week, Hans took the puppy to his grandmother's house. After tea, his grandmother gave him a piece of meat. What did his grandmother give him on fourth week? She gave him a piece of meat. Hans tied the meat with a string and dragged it along behind him. The puppy followed Hans. Followed means पीछा किया, nibbling the meat. When Hans got home, he had no meat. What happened to the meat? The puppy had eaten meat. You should have put it in a piece of paper and put the packet on your head, said his mother. What should have he done with the meat? He should have put the meat in a piece of paper and put the packet on his head. Now the question is, was Hans' mother right to call him foolish? Why? The answer is yes. She was right to call him foolish because he did many foolish things. The next week, Hans' grandmother gave him some butter. What did his grandmother give him on fifth week? She gave him some butter. Hans wrapped the butter in some paper and put the packet on his head. When he reached home, his mother looked at him and cried out, "What is all that yellow stuff on your head and back?" The butter had melted in the sun. What happened to the butter? The butter had melted in the sun. You are a foolish boy, said his mother. Students, here we have dictation words from unit number 6. Today we will learn their pronunciation. Unit number 6, Careful Hans. Dictation words. First word is cottage. Next, dragged, Germany, nibbled, wrapped, needle, walked, reached, foolish, remembered, carefully, followed, pocket, packet, sleeve. Now please learn their pronunciation and dictation.